Let's compare the Swiffer Sweeper to the Swiffer Power Mop. So you can see I've got my Swiffer Sweeper here and I've got my Power Mop. Now, there's a couple of big differences between these two devices. The Swiffer Sweeper is really designed for getting dust off of your floor. You can use a wet pad on it or you can use a dry pad. I've got a dry pad at the moment, but basically it's just going to pick up surface level types of stains, and if you're using a wet pad on it, the wetness on the pad is only going to last for a fairly short time. It's really enough to clean, maybe a small room, and then you'll have to swap out the pad. Or again, with the dry pad, you can do some dust, picking up there. The Power Mop, on the other hand, is going to actually spray liquid out on the floor, so it can keep cleaning for longer, doing that wet cleaning, kind of equivalent to mopping. You can see we press the button, it sprays out the liquid, and then we can clean up the floor there. So this is, with the Power Mop, is great for those bigger stains and things on the floor. If you've got a very dirty floor or a much larger space to clean, the Swiffer Sweeper is best, again, for dusting, or with a wet pad for cleaning small, more surface level kinds of dirt off of your floors. Similarities between these, they both work very similarly in terms of their movement. So they kind of pivot and move around. You can get into all those little surfaces. The Swiffer Sweeper is definitely lighter and smaller, and it doesn't have batteries. It's all just manual, so you don't have to change batteries or anything, and you don't need to change the cleaning solution. They both use pads to do their cleaning. The Swiffer Sweeper has a smaller pad. The Swiffer Power Mop has a larger pad, and it has these little mop kind of pieces to it, which again helps it to clean up those bigger spills and messes. Both of these are great. Personally, I use the Swiffer Sweeper for dry dusting and the Swiffer Power Mop for any kind of mopping.